Now entering the subject of comparison blocks in the MasterTool, we will be exploring from now on some comparison blocks. First we will explore the LT and the LE. So I will pull them here for our logic. The LT block, I will already enable it. I will pull the LE also, I will already enable it with true. This block here, it makes the comparison between these two numbers, and if this first number is less than the second, it will enable our output. So I'm going to put a variable called as LT, that is, it is less than. And my variable is going to be L.T.1. MasterTool tries to declare Boolean type, but what I want is an integer type variable. So, it changes it here to integer. L.T.2 is of type integer 2. Below we will declare a variable called LE1, of type integer, and LE2 also of type integer. And my output is LE. This block makes the comparison if the first parameter is less than or equal to the second variable. I can already test in login. Here it compares if this first value is less than the one below, for now they are equal. So if LT2 happens to be greater, for example worth 1, the output is enabled. In the block below it is true if L.E.1 is less than or equal to L.E.2. Then it is already positive because the two are equal with the value 0. If LE2 is greater, the answer is also maintained, but if L.E.1 is greater, for example, the output will be disabled. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.